In aphorism 40 and 41, we just discussed about the complex disease. Okay, so just we have finished the dissimilar disease. Now we just discuss this dissimilar disease or similar disease in this situation, because now the COVID-19, you already know about that one. This COVID-19 is caused by that coronavirus. Okay, it is a new one. Okay, so now what we do, whether it comes under the dissimilar disease or similar disease. So just we see by the examples. Just to think, when the COVID virus is there, first condition, dissimilar disease, repulsion. Okay, so if any person is affected with a long chronic disease condition, maybe a skin infection for a long time, that person won't be affected by that epidemic COVID-19. It may be repulsion is there. For example, in a locality, if the 10 members are there, in 10 members, 9 members are affected with that COVID-19, but only one member is not affected family. Okay, what may be the reason? Maybe any chronic suppressed disease may be there. Any chronic disease condition may be there. It may repel that one. Okay. Second condition, suppression. Now, some of the persons having slight cough, slight throat pain, or any slight disease condition. Now, when the COVID-19 enter into the body, it just suppress that one and it just vigorously affect that one, because it is epidemic or pandemic. Epidemic and pandemic, you know about that one. Okay. So, it suppressed the original dissimilar disease, which one is the weaker. Now it is a stronger one, it affect the whole body and produces symptoms. Third variety, complex disease, is the most common is there. Because now that government also announced, who are all having any chronic disease, who are all having the diabetic, who are all having that hypertension, mostly you aware, or instead of using the word aware, you just beware of that one. You must be very cautious, particularly old people who are having the low immunity power, or when it is associated with any diabetic condition, hypertension. They are very much severely concerned about that one. Why? It may be a third condition, complex disease. Because what happened, when the older disease, long acting in the body, when the new disease enter, it also combined with the old one and forms the complex disease. So, when the person is already suffering from the diabetic condition, now when he is exposed to COVID-19, so the diabetic is also produce the complication, and also the COVID is also produce its own effect. So now the patient is under the state of the more severity. It is a common one. So it maybe comes under the any one of the three categories. Mostly third category, we can expect that COVID-19, when it is produced, the more severe condition means when they have the old age, particularly when they complicated with the diabetes and also hypertension and any renal disease or any chronic disease condition which make the worsening of the condition. Okay. Then when you come to the similar disease, so Hahnemann has given the smallpox like that one. Now we can see or we can declare that the similar disease only when next time it is exposed. Okay, it is not possible to say like that one, because nowadays that arsenic amalgam, there is a great debate how you says that arsenic, because according to Hahnemann, what he mentioned, the epidemic disease, each time you think the disease condition is the new one and take the totality and prescribe the remedy. Okay, so this medicine, that is this epidemic, genus epidemicus, is specific for this condition, for this disease. But Central Council of Research Homeopathy told the arsenic amalgam mostly cover all the disease condition. How? Yes, the arsenic amalgam having the fear of disease, arsenic amalgam that patient thinks it is incurable, arsenic having the disease condition of great prostration, very rapid sinking of the vital force, and also it affects the lungs more severely. So it based upon that conditions, both mental and physical condition, government recommend arsenic embalming. Okay, so next time when the disease condition is exposed, it is not possible to mandatory says it affects all the persons because it maybe comes under the fixed miasms. Okay, so those who are all affected this time may be escaped in the next time, or when it comes under the it comes under the recurring miasm, problem is there. It also affects the persons who are already affected. So what we see, according to Hahnemann, by the experience only we can learn. Okay, so don't worry about the pandemic or epidemic. As a homeopath, we have the medicine. We have the medicine for the COVID-19 based upon the symptom similarity. Okay, clear?
அகிலம் போற்றும் பாரதம் இது இணையில்லா காவியம் தர்ம அதர்ம வழியினிலே நன்மை தீமைக்கு இடையினிலே விளையும் போரின் சத்தியம் வென்றிடு